What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video I will show you how you can create a Zoom account. So let's start this video by launching the Zoom app. When you open the app, this is the interface you will see. Now tap on sign up to create an account. First you have to enter your birthday. Then tap on confirm. Now enter your email address. Now type in your first name. Then your last name. And then tap on sign up. Now you should receive an email from Zoom. I already got the notification, so I'll just open the mail from my notification. Now tap on activate account. Open with any browser you want. Now you have to create your password. And then retype your password. Now tap on continue. You can invite your colleagues and friends. And you can also skip this process. Tap on skip this step. You can also start a meeting right away. Or skip this process by going to your account. I'll just tap on go to my account. And your Zoom account is created. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next one.